Mr. Mishra, 2 attacks in 48 hours.
Yes.
2 attacks in 48 hours. I mean to say that it's being done with impunity. And I would say that there's a message that is being sent.
Yes, Kartikeya, I have gone through all these things which has happened since yesterday. The first attack, it came on Kotuk village, accepted. They were unaware and attack came by drones, which never happened in the history of Manipur. But suddenly, just 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers from Kotuk, from the same hill, Bethel and same hill coming, attack coming by drones. And not only one, number of drones coming. It is surprising. It shows that after first attack, perhaps situation was not taken that seriously. And I can well tell you, they went to the extent of completely attacking and then snatching one LMG and one AK rifle and one INSAS from the IRB battalion. Surprising, I'm telling you. This has happened in the same area. So this shows that the hills are not really protected. I was listening to the DG police, and I also came to know that a committee has been made by DG police with additional DGP intelligence, 37 Mountain Deep Commander, IG Assam Rifle, IG CRPF, DIG BSF. But the drones, you are correct, Kartikeya, the drones were the same which were used by guerrillas in Myanmar against the Janta government. There is a lull in Myanmar, and some of these drones, they came through the open border to Manipur. And of course, the committee will definitely look into this. And as DG Police has promised that, yes, the operation is going on and they have recovered one drone and they have recovered a few weapons or ammunition from Kangkopi. I will tell you, Kangkopi, in fact, it's a place where the plane it ends. You have to go to the hill. You have to go to Bihang. You have to go to here. That road, it leads to Singhat. It goes to Sugnu. It goes to Chapki Karang. It goes to on Bihang way. It goes to Myanmar border. Sita. Those areas are free for these Kuki militants who are already those who are being given weapons from Myanmar, not only drones, even RPGs have come. So I request the committee to go to these areas and send their troops for counter-insurgency operation in those areas, and first to block, I repeat, to block Myanmar and Manipur border. Until and unless we don't block the border, it is very difficult to have counter-insurgency operations in the hill areas. That is what the problem we are facing in Pir Panjal.